Hello, everybody. Good morning to all. I am Dr. Ramesh Nath Lingutla, a NRI doctor and resident in India. This is SRM Garden, Sri Rangappa Mugilamma Nagar, in the name of my beloved late parents, Sri Rangappa and Mugilamma. And today in this garden, I am preparing 20 tons of organic manure for the sake of all my beloved plants. I mean Taiwan Gawa Pink and all other vegetable plants and also some mango trees. Regarding myself, having born in the village near Tadipatri, Gandavaripalli in Anantapur district, having come to Tirupati and having had my medical graduation in Sri Venkateshwara Medical College, Tirupati, I did establish first and one of the best hospitals opposite VV Mall in the main road. Having worked as a reputed doctor with great academic interest in 1992, I did go to England for the sake of achieving higher professional excellency and qualifications. Having achieved higher qualifications and professional excellency with great academic qualifications and rewarding excellence award, as always being son of soil, I had burning desire to come back and serve our communities. As such, nearly a decade back, I returned to motherland, Mother India, and got involved in multi-sector charity and social service activities through our family charity organization, Reach Global Foundation. Of late, since 4 years, this land was getting spoiled by a few who were not doing good here. As the son of farmer, being farmer's son, I got involved in 2017. Since then, I worked very hard to develop this land in the strictly and totally in organic way. I planted 1,000 Gawa trees, Taiwan Pink, and also the Mamidi mango trees were there already, and some coconut trees, palm trees. All I developed taking very much strains and risks with involving the expenditure also. Now I am going to tell about organic farming. I mean, today the points I am highlighting: what is organic farming, why organic farming, and why organic farming is with many strains and involving much expenditure, and how is organic manure prepared, what is desi cow, in what way it is superior than other cows, and what are the responsibilities of the government, and what are the responsibilities of the public, why adding green gram powder and black jaggery to the manure, and why adding neem powder to the manure. These are the points I would like to highlight and briefly. And what is organic farming? The organic farming is a strategic way of agriculture. And actually the father of organic farming, even though we said Sir Albert Howard in the 1500, in early 1900, Rudolf Steiner and Sir Albert Howard, they did great agriculture and worked on organic farming. If we go back to the history, in 1982 itself, Northbourne invented organic farming. It is a strategic way of agriculture to maintain soil fertility and ecological balance, avoiding the chemical fertilizers, using only biofertilizers, and especially farmer friendly, and all these are the advantages. It avoids atmospheric pollution too. So in the days now we are going through various problems. This is high time that whole world should concentrate and look at organic farming and organic way of eating the foods and encouraging it. So coming to the organic farming, and having had the definition, and also why organic farming, why not other way of chemical fertilizers like urea, sulfate and all. As you are seeing in the public, the cancer risks are high nowadays, increasing various cancers, various diseases. Recently we had corona, one of the devil to the whole globe, and many things like that we are suffering. To avoid all these, natural way of farming, Go back to 50 years back, our olden days, they did only with these desi cow and fertilizers. And so, why organic? And also, the organic farming is superior because it contains micronutrients like magnesium, zinc, iron, and copper, etc. And all these things. This organic farming was also encouraged by a book by Rodale and his son Robert in 1940s. Actually, the first world country is Estonia, a small country, and which did organic farming near Russia, which also I could see. I was happy. And even though small country, they had very much discipline and are working great. Coming to the other ways about the organic farming, I have already told that micronutrients are there. And why organic farming with so many strains and involving much expenditure? To let you know all, it involves 40% more expenditure than others, and also collecting this desi cow dung and urine and all other which I am going to highlight, and like adding the neem powder, black jaggery, and also the what is that the green gram powder like Senaga flour, etc. These are all the highly expenditure and involved with labor and strains. So this many people are scared to go for the organic farming, and cost wise also it is high, organic farming. So how is the organic farming prepared? Our manure is prepared. Today you are seeing this is all a tipper, 5 tractors load, and also there is another tipper on the way. This is in my garden, 2 tippers, means 5 tractors, 10 tractors. That means 20 tons of organic manure from Ongole cows, which are far away from near Puttur, and after the 10 kilometers near Vepagunta, we got it by tippers. And we had to pay huge amounts for the tippers and the manure, and over it now all it is spread, and all this desi cow dung, over it we have put Senaga flour, and over it we have added the black jaggery. For each tractor load, 40 kilos of Senaga flour, 40 kilos of black jaggery we need to add. Why to add, I will tell you later. And then on the top of it, neem powder to prevent the diseases, vapapindi. And we added all that, and we are now going to flow for, to that we are adding bund soil. Bund soil means the land soil which contains, even ants prepare for the sake of snakes. We take that to mix in that, about that soil, three floors. And all this we add, and this desi cow urine, we pour it and we mix it very well and leave it. Then after a few days, the earthworms, by using that, earthworms friendly, when we put to the land, they plant, earthworms will be attracted. 15 feet down the earthworms will come up, burrowing the soil, increasing the soil fertility, and when eating all this and going back, they defecate, so that which is very useful for the land. No chemical fertilizers. Even if we need, we use biofertilizers. Regarding these things, I got the great support from all my friends, regional scientist Anantarajupeta, award winner Nagaraj Garu, and the organic farming and natural way of farming Gangadaram, who got Palekar also to our state. He is from Pichatur. He also had established a word. And also another MSc Zoology, Batireddy, Kandriga near Kalahasti. These people appreciate my efforts and support me and giving me these 3 scientists suggestions. So, this, in spite of all these things, I am going ahead without compromising, doing the all organic way. In what, why it is superior, I told you already. Why it is becoming rare, and because of the, what is desi cow? Desi cow is our traditional cow. Near to us, near to Tirupati, Punganur cow is desi cow. Girjati cow from north, that is desi cow. You can see in Bahubali. And Ongole cow is desi cow. Hallikere breed cow is desi cow. So there are so many traditional desi cows which our ancestors did great merely with their dung and urine. Unfortunately, now we are buying, many farmers are buying Jersey cow, etc., with the idea of getting more yield. And a thesis was done in New Zealand why Desi cow's milk is superior. You can see Desi cow is having on the top of it, in Telugu it is called Moopuram, and through which sunlight is attracted, and the sun rays is one of the disease curing used for the cure of the disease. So it is proved that A12 milk, you can see in Google also, A1, A2 milk, Desi cow's milk is much superior than this milk. So coming to the Desi cow, I explained you. And finally, to encourage organic food and organic availability directly from the producer to the consumers, we just created an outlet in front of our garden, organic outlet, Dr. LRN's organic outlet, where all public and friends and all groups can buy the organic Taiwan Gawa Pink and also other organic food materials at reasonably low price. It will be available from 7th of March nearly. So this is about organic farming. I encourage organic farming. The governments and public also should encourage organic farming. Let us eat healthy food. Let us live healthy. Let us do good to the society. Let us do good to the atmosphere. Mera Bharat Mahan. Jai Hind.